Welcome, today I am with Xiaomi 11T and I will show you how you can install glass on display in this phone. So at first you have to remember about the good lighting condition. You have to see a very mess that you have on display. In my case I can spot few fingerprints, so we have to remove them. Open box with your tempered glass. Inside you will find glass like this one and two wipes, wet and dry. Open wet at the first and just clean your screen. Okay, after a few moves we easily get rid of all of this mess from the screen. Right now open dry wipe and remove wet marks from the display after wet cleaning. Okay, and right now when you finish and your display is in a good condition, you have to grab your glass and remove this sticker. With this sticker you will also remove the foil that is attached right here. So make it like that, do it gently. Right now just take a look one more time on your display, be sure that there is no any dust on the screen. Keep holding the bottom part and try to put it correctly for upper section of the display. You have to put the glass evenly for the both edges. I think that in my case everything is fine, so I'm going to hold right here in the middle and then I'm going to put the bottom part. And right now we can press right here and there it is. It goes automatically. You can press with your fingers to make it a little bit faster, and at the end you have to just press like that with this wipe, clean the screen, and when you take a look on the display you will spot a lot of marks that we can find under the glass. It's glue that we have to push and it will disappear, as you can see. Take a look. We just have to press on this glue marks. As you can see, it's disappear. So I'm going to make it for the screen. Okay, and when you finish, we can also test the screen sensitivity. As you can see, everything is fine, so you don't have to be afraid of applying tempered glass on the smartphone. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.